Hello and welcome to this short yoga flow to help open up the neck and the shoulders. Now, this practice can occur on the floor, or if you're in the office or at home, you can be sitting on a chair as well. Just be mindful in your twists. So when you're ready, we'll begin to take the shoulders up towards the ears, rolling the shoulder blades down. Hands loosely on the thighs, palms down or maybe back of the hands. We'll begin to tuck the chin in towards the chest, keeping the shoulders over the sit bones. We're going to begin to make a smiley face with the chin. For some of us, it might just be a gentle back and forth. Some might have more of a bigger smile with the chin. We'll begin to bring the chin back in towards the chest, lifting the chin parallel with the earth. Casually, we can take that right ear towards the right shoulder. We can stay here. Maybe we take our right fingertips to the left temple, maybe the ear itself. Left hand can begin to drip down if we're in a chair, the edge. Maybe we begin to take it to the side. Taking the right hand up, coming towards that left thigh, beginning to explore a deeper twist. Left arm beginning to go up towards the sky. We'll just take a gentle side stretch over towards the right. Right hand can travel along that left leg. Left hand rising, and then we'll begin to release, tucking the chin in, rounding the spine. We'll begin to lift the arms, shoulder height or less, giving yourself a gentle hug, maybe exploring your eagle, crossing the elbows, back of the hands. Wherever we happen to be, taking your elbows over towards the left. And we'll begin to come back through center. Gently beginning to release your eagle or hug, cactusing. And we'll take the arms up. Releasing the hands down towards our lap. And we'll begin to bring the left ear towards the left shoulder. Maybe the fingertips come to the temple or the side of the head. And our right hand. And beginning to lift, left hand coming onto that right knee or thigh, right hand behind. And we'll gently begin to cross, right hand coming across, tucking and rounding. Beginning to lift. Again, giving yourself a hug, maybe eagle. Wherever you happen to be, beginning to take the elbows over towards the right. Coming back through center, we'll begin to release, cactusing. We'll take the arms up, and what we're going to begin to do is take the arms out for as much space as we have, tucking and rounding, as imagining they're like wings. And we'll open. We'll begin to close the wings, fingertips coming forward, and we'll begin to bring the hands together in prayer, lifting the chin, lifting the head. Interlacing the hands, we'll begin to take the palms forward. Now we can stay here. We might keep heavily bent elbows. Maybe we fully extend. We can begin to take a gentle twist. And through center. We'll go on to the opposite side. And center. Knuckles coming in towards the heart. We'll begin to release, taking the arms up overhead. And we'll cactus. Fingertips rising. We'll take the arms out. This time we'll cross that left arm across the body. Right hand coming along the forearm. And we can stay here, shoulders square, or you can begin to explore more of a twist. So twisting at the navel. We'll begin to open. And repeating on the opposite side. So right hand coming, shoulders coming forward or off to the side. And we'll gently begin to release, opening, and eventually taking the hands to the heart. Gently bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in this very short practice to help opening up the neck and the shoulders. And if you'd like to check out any of my longer videos, check out the link in the playlist in the description. And I will see you again soon.